Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix overheating while gaming on the POCO M8. So while you're playing games like maybe PUBG or COD Mobile and you feel like your phone is overheating too much, there are a few things that you can do to fix that. And the first thing that you can try doing is opening games up in Game Turbo mode. So if we go to the security app, tap on it, and then tap on either Game Turbo right here, or if you can't find it, just scroll down all the way until you open up the Toolbox and tap on Game Turbo. And this allows you to add your games to this mode, which then helps games perform better. So if we tap on the plus icon on the top right, we can add apps to this mode. So for example, we can select a game. I'm just going to do a random one, snakezone.io, and then if we exit out, we now have the games added. So just select the game. You can change the graphics settings down here or any other additional settings, and then once you're done, just launch the game, press start playing, and it's going to open up the game in Game Turbo mode. Now the next thing that is recommended is to not charge your phone while gaming, because what it does is battery life gains a percentage, and then it drops the 1% down, and then it charges again, and that whole loop just causes the phone to overheat. What you can do is either connect your phone to the charger, let it charge, and then start playing without the charger, or you could just let the phone drop and then connect it to the charger again. So another thing that you can try doing is removing the protective case or any sort of case that you have on your phone. So just take that off so heat dissipation works better, so it doesn't get trapped between the case or even in the case, and just play like that. And this could help the phone not overheat too much. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.